dominate frozen icy terrain with UTV's rugged ice cleats. Designed for extreme northern conditions, our proprietary cleats enhance the grip and control of rubber-tracked vehicles on ice, snow, and frozen terrain. Engineered for durability, they install easily, hooking onto the inner edge of the track and bolting securely on the outer edge. Once in place, they maintain full track articulation, keeping you in command over the toughest terrain. When winter locks the land in ice and turns every path treacherous, UTV Ice Cleats, bite deep, delivering traction to go further.